Most people get this wrong. They assume all credit reporting agencies are the same. But the surprising truth is that Equifax has some unique features and a few considerations you need to know before trusting it completely. Equifax is one of the three major credit bureaus in the U.S., and it provides credit reports, credit scores, and monitoring services. You won't believe what happens next. Equifax also offers identity theft protection tools and alerts for unusual activity, which can be a lifesaver if your information is ever compromised. Signing up for Equifax services is easy. You can request your free annual credit report or subscribe to their paid monitoring for daily updates and identity theft coverage. Their platform allows you to view your credit score, track changes, and receive notifications if new accounts are opened in your name. However, there are some things to watch out for. Equifax has had major security breaches in the past, so it's important to use strong passwords and enable any available security features. Additionally, some paid services can be expensive, so weigh the cost versus benefit if you only need basic credit monitoring. In conclusion, Equifax is a useful tool for monitoring your credit and protecting against identity theft, but it's important to understand its limitations and security history. Regularly checking your credit report from all three bureaus is the best practice for staying on top of your financial health. Subscribe for more honest credit and finance reviews to help you manage your money safely.